Hey guys, this is Chris with MarketIntelligence.com, and I would like to welcome you to today's video where you can make up to $60 per hour by just labeling boxes. Simple as that. Before we go ahead and jump on the video, let me go ahead and invite you to click the subscribe on the lower right side so you can follow our videos, anything about making money, step-by-step videos, and I will answer any questions if I can as well. And if I can, to invite you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation. So with no further ado, let's jump into it, guys. The site I would like to show you today is called enrollup.com. What is this site doing? It will help make the web a better place. This is what these sites do. Enroll lets you take a quick test to help make the web a better place for everyone. Help companies decide which logo is better, clarify content, or simply complete tasks on a website or app to ensure the interaction makes sense. Anyone can do it. Simple, right? So let's scroll down. You can be the first. You can take test anywhere. As it says here, if you're addicted to your phone, tablet, or anything with connection, you can do this anywhere. That means mobility at your own time, which is great. You can earn rewards. You can change the web, be part of the next revolution. And as you can see, guys, this is serious. This is a serious website. So far 397,000, 400,000 people are doing this, guys. 400,000 people are registered to this, following this, and making money. So follow it and start making some money as well. So how does this work? Click here, check a sample. Label each marker with what you think the button will do once clicked. So let's take the test, guys. Right here, sorry, this should be a microphone, and feeling like he should give, I don't know, random articles, and you my profile information. Yeah, so that's it. You click I'm done labeling. Great. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Like, guys, that was it, by the way. Yeah, that's how simple it is. They will give you different boxes that you should label them about what they should do, and this is how they test if everything makes sense to people, if there are websites that are user-friendly enough for people to follow. So let's see. Great. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Would appreciate if you could take a minute and fill these basic demographic questions. Don't worry, nothing nefarious. Okay. Male, 30 to 39. God, I'm getting older, guys. Yes, that's me. Right. Thanks for taking a verified test. We'll use the results to improve the design. Right. Leave test and get started with verify. So start your own test with verify. If you click here with get verify. All right. Oh wow, guys, look how many big brands are using this. Google, HP, eBay, Stripe, Forever, and they're really hot in press as well. A lot of people. The Next Web, Read Write, Appstone, Smashing, Mashable, New York Times. Wow, a lot of articles here. So guys, this is it. This is how simple it is. I show you how the test works. All you need to do is just verify, and the only thing you need to do to enroll and start making some money with this is enroll today and make the web a better place. Enter your email, enter a password, enroll, start making some money. Guys, this is a very simple thing to do. If you have some free time, you have internet access, any kind of PC, tablet, computer, notebook, there is zero things in our hands now today, and you can dedicate some time, then you can start making money just by labeling boxes. You can even sit by the beach and doing this. What I would like to tell you though, that this will not make you rich overnight. This will not bring you a major income. It will bring you some income, but not the major one. Now, if you're one of the guys who are looking to make some extra income, guys, and if you're looking into making some change in your financial freedom, what I would like you to do is to ask you to click the link below this video, and as I did with this one, I'm gonna guide you step by step to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house every single day, changing your life the way it changed mine. I used to work 8 to 5, guys. Now I'm working from the comfort of my house every day when I feel like doing it. So click the link below this description. I will ask you, invite you, I will highly appreciate if you can subscribe my channel so you can follow all the videos I'm releasing almost every day for you guys with proven ways on how to make money. Click the thumb ups, the like if you like the video, and let's do it. Give me comments if you like the video, if you need any assistance, and how we go from there. Thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to hear from you. Enjoy the day. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.